Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. British Columbia invites entrepreneurs through to Provincial Immigration Pathways, BCPNP update. The British Columbia Provincial Nominee Program, or BCPNP, has conducted a new entrepreneur immigration selection round, inviting experienced business owners and entrepreneurs to apply for provincial nomination. The latest selection round targeted candidates under two entrepreneur immigration pathways, providing another opportunity for qualified entrepreneurs to pursue Canadian permanent residence. Let's take a closer look at the latest British Columbia immigration update. British Columbia holds new entrepreneur selection round. On 30th June 2026, British Columbia conducted a new selection round under its Entrepreneur Immigration, or EI, category. The province invited entrepreneurs planning to establish a new business or purchase and expand an existing business in British Columbia. This was British Columbia's 7th Entrepreneur Immigration Selection Round of 2026 and the second entrepreneur selection held in June, marking a change from the province's earlier pattern of holding one entrepreneur selection round each month. Results of the latest BCPNP entrepreneur selection. British Columbia issued invitations under two entrepreneur immigration pathways. Entrepreneur Immigration Base Stream. Invitations issued 8. Minimum score 123. Entrepreneur Immigration Regional Stream. Invitations issued fewer than 5. Minimum score 115. Candidates who receive invitations may now submit an application for provincial nomination through the BC Provincial Nominee Program. What is the Entrepreneur Immigration Base Stream? The Entrepreneur Immigration Base Stream is designed for experienced entrepreneurs who intend to establish a new business or purchase an existing business anywhere in British Columbia. Successful applicants are expected to actively manage their business while contributing to the province's economic growth and job creation. What is the Entrepreneur Immigration Regional Stream? The Entrepreneur Immigration Regional Stream is designed to encourage business investment in smaller participating communities across British Columbia. Before registering with the BCPNP, entrepreneurs must first receive a community referral from one of the participating regional communities. This pathway supports local economic development by attracting entrepreneurs to regions outside the province's larger urban centers. Notable highlights from 30th June selection. The latest Entrepreneur Immigration Selection Round included two notable milestones. The base stream minimum score of 123 was the highest recorded in 2026. The regional stream minimum score of 115 was the lowest recorded in 2026. These results demonstrate that invitation scores can vary depending on the immigration pathway and the competitiveness of the candidate pool. What this means for entrepreneurs. If you're an experienced entrepreneur interested in starting or expanding a business in Canada, British Columbia continues to offer attractive immigration opportunities through its entrepreneur immigration pathways. Preparing a strong business proposal, meeting the program requirements, and maintaining a competitive registration score can improve your chances of receiving an invitation in future selection rounds. Final update. British Columbia continues to use its Entrepreneur Immigration Program to attract experienced business owners who can contribute to the province's economy. In its latest selection round, the province invited candidates through both the Entrepreneur Immigration Base Stream and the Regional Stream, providing additional pathways toward Canadian permanent residence for eligible entrepreneurs. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.